In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend your Cash App account. So if your Cash App account was suspended due to a mistake or temporary restriction, you may be able to restore it by contacting Cash App support. However, if the suspension was a serious violation of the terms of service, Cash App may permanently close the account and not restate it or reinstate it. So first of all, just go and open your Cash App and sign in into your account. Then you would like to click on your profile icon at the top right. Once you do so, you will find the support tab, so make sure to go and click on that. From there, scroll down and you'll find contact supports and chats, so click on that chat option. You would like, once you open the chat, to explain that your account was suspended and you are requesting a review. And Cash App may ask you to verify your identity by providing your full name, date of birth, phone number, or email linked to the account, and also a government issued ID. Respond promptly to avoid delays, and then you'll have to wait for the review. After submitting your request, just monitor your email and Cash App notification and reply if support requests additional information. Review times vary depending on the case. If you succeeded or if your appeal example went correctly, you will find that your account is no longer suspended, that if they completed the review and removed the suspension on your account, and you can use the Cash App again as usual. Click on close and sign in into your account again, and you should be good to go. So that's how you unsuspend your Cash App accounts. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.